Hi everyone, it's Miss Maggie. I'm going to be teaching you guys today how to make brownies from scratch. So first you take a stick and a half of butter and you melt it together with this type of chocolate. And then I already did it, I melted together and you get just a liquidy chocolate. And then you add 2 cups of sugar, which I already measured out. And you mix that together. These smell so good. You mix that part together. And then you add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix that together. Should look like granulated deliciousness. And then you add 3 eggs. And you want to make sure that your oven is set to 350 degrees. And you're going to bake that for, depending on the type of pan you put it in. Like for me, I have a metal 8x8 pan. But depending on the type of pan you put it in, if it's an 8x8, I would say it's between 30 to 35 minutes in the oven. Sometimes my mom makes these and does a 9x13 and she cooks it for 28 minutes. Gotta mix it all nice and well together. You don't want to see any part of the egg. All right, and then you add 1 cup of flour. And this is the part that makes it like brownies. Because if we did it before, it would just be liquid. Oh, just on time, the oven's ready. Making sure there's no flour on the bottom. We got it all. I think we're good. All right, so next we are going to want to, I put parchment paper in it so there's less to clean, but we're going to spray that so nothing sticks. All right, now we're gonna pour the brownies into the, and the batter should look like that. All right. All right. Now we gotta make sure it's all nice and even. All right. Now I think it's time to put it in the oven. And like I said, for this type of pan, about 30 to 35 minutes.